No. Homeless son.
On these days, something unforgettable would happen.
I feel very much excited about this program because I get to see the different indigenous cultures of Ghana in display.
Today is a special day for us as we showcase our culture as Ghanaians.
Asawa amuhu no wahe a wo friend no apatam. Ejuma afantefo yedeba omeyi benye eku ejuma enchin ejuma afar ejuma na za okoka ho nire eke aban kwani ega
Oban fantimenma ken fa hena ho siesie na hena afazin zago kra e watampi ntimpempi no ebotum wiezi nkomo wa ba yemgbe hena no osanda hena atma yefra no mududu nara owezin na asechire
Toya dike Nenu dike Toya dike Nenu dike Iye jamara dike ruenu Ekwe chenjigo Iye jamara dike ruenu Ekwe dagaigo
My name is Ada. I came from the Delta State. I am a proud child from the Delta State in Nigeria. In my home, we love to dance. We clap to the sounds of drum and we respect elders every day. Today, I am happy to be in Ghana, celebrating our African culture together. Nigeria and Ghana are friends. Different culture, but one Africa.
Yemenya leke bola gbe na mo lele wo sunsun ga ke mo melio besi gbe ma powo aleke go wa no lenye ila ne wo bieta nyese mi gble na wo be me gbona mi gble na wo be me gbona Yemenya leke bola gbe na mo lele wo sunsun ga ke mo melio besi gbe ma powo aleke go wa no lenye ila ne wo bieta nyese mi gble na wo be me gbona mi gble na wo be o me gbona
Agonami. Mebe agonami. Yankonya Emmanuel Banaman Williams. Egba biga konkone Devia. Devia be gogonye Mr. Selom Amakpa.
Meka bajeje vielo Toboli Meka bajeje vielo Toboli Mega gle anyeji Toboli Mega nyo anyeji Toboli Mega favile zamenamo Mega favile zamenamo Nalena hobela siona blo Nevielo Toboli
Efo day your life, I like that. I like that spirit. Beautiful.
that Archfield have been able to organize a program like this. At least our learners will be exposed to learn about their cultures. Most of our children don't know. So today is a big day for our children and for the parents as well.
I greet you all as a custodian of our heritage and a servant to my people. It is my honor to introduce to you the proud people of the Akan nation. We are not merely a tribe. We are a family. We are a meta-ethnicity of interconnected groups.
Yeah.
Including the Asante,
Ekiapim,
Achim,
Nanamo,
Bono,
Nanakasa,
Kwewu,
and
the Wasa, and the Fante.
Who was the chief advisor and the chief priest orchestrated this event. Okonfuanochi united various independent Akan states in the Ashanti region with the help of the Golden Stool. Ladies and gentlemen, my mothers and fathers, my brothers and sisters, the Ashanti region has a lot of memorable events, a lot of important history, and I want us to hold on to all of these. Let's cherish our culture and love our people. Thank you.
I'm friend no tia na nya no ti hunu bia se eja no ne ba no ti na me frɛ no maami ku beba no ti konfo na me frɛ no akwa keto de kente kwasio no di kosua bokesire obini ni dentem da se bere waso wi ahwe na na ma ne nsaso wi ma no chiri sikejo kofide ma aye wadu adua wa santime mu age santime yesi wo aye na mebo mra ne aye na ne obini konfo no ti nwanwani e onati homa so wasre mebo mra ne o God Gasia na Wadama Segutu Seba Sabu Chiki Senyam Segutu Seba Media Santiago Segutu Seba Fantasy Senyam Segutu Seba Yen da wono Segutu Seba Bakete Senyam Segutu Seba Modia Tonsi Segutu Ofisa wa Grono Nyam Segutu Seba Yen bia Ofisa wa Grono Bio
When we see something like this, is very good, and people will see it from outside, they will appreciate it because that's who we are. So we cannot just neglect or forget about who we are.
People of Ghana. The Gadame are one of the major ethnic groups in the country, mainly found in the greater Accra region, especially in Accra and parts of the Eastern region. We are known for our rich culture, unique traditions, vibrant festivals such as Kumo, Dipo, and their important role in the history and development of Ghana.
Agogba. Mapusi.
The Dia dance is a war dance which is seldom performed. In the olden days, this is performed during the funeral rites of a clan head, a chief, a tindana, also known as earth priest. These people are very significant for the survival of the society. I enjoy this show very much right from the beginning, and I hope all of you also enjoy it.